And today what we're playing with is the WhalesBot A3 12-in-1 stem playset. This is for ages 3 to 5 years old. So this is for Colty's age. And what we're building is a robot dog. And the way that this system works is you get these little story books. And as you read the story, they introduce you to new projects and you build the projects. And then once you build the project, you're going to use these little coding blocks, like this one is a button, this one's a buzzer, this one is a red LED, and you use these coding blocks to actually control your robot and set it up. How cool is that? Let's bring the camera in and take a closer look at this little dog that they're building right now. Alright, so they're putting the final pieces on, and they just have to connect their coding blocks. Which coding blocks are we using? We see the infrared sensor or motion detector. One is the controller, and the other one is a forward and reversing switch.
There's a ghost in our house.
No, it's magnetic. It's not a ghost. All the coding blocks are held together magnetically. You can't put them together wrong. If they don't go that way, then it won't work. And you can see that the dog is now starting to wag his tail. And it only works when your hand is by his tail. Move your hand, Colty. And see, when you pull your hand away, it stops moving. And so what do you do if you want to reverse his tail?
If we want it to make it go the other way, we press this way.
That's right. You just push that little switch, and it actually is going to reverse the direction.
I also made an eagle.
That's right. Colty's into the freestyle play. He's not following directions. He's making his own creations, which is part of the STEM toy set and things that you're allowed to do. And you can see that you get all these different pieces. You have different gears. You have axles and wheels. Here's some more coding blocks. You have a buzzer and a push button. You have a red LED. It is rechargeable. It does come with a charge cord. And you get all the pieces you need to make all these really cool projects. Now the kids have been playing with this a whole bunch the last few days. How many projects do you think you've built?
In the last week, at least 20.
At least 20 different ones. And this set does come with instructions for 12 different ones, but that's not going to stop you from building your own things like Colty here. What are you building again, Colt?
An eagle.
That's right, Colty's building an eagle. So they're nice big blocks. They're kid friendly for the age group of 3 to 5 for Colty's size. Lizzie's been kind enough to help Colty with his projects. They do have other sets for other age groups, so make sure you check out all the different ones. And this is a great educational toy to help those young budding engineers, to help them learn science and coding and even robot building. We hope this video helps.
And thanks for watching.